No.
But person that is
He
not
actually
good,
trained himself.
like me, that is not good.
Yes.
There's no way
You
I
need
will
to train
train.
yourself. You start eating healthy. All you for the girl you're eating. You think if you want to start running, so you can eat it.
There's no
You don't eat this for the
way
girl.
when I was. Hi guys, welcome back to Chi and Family. Yes guys, 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 we are back again with another
video.
And guys, guess what? We are eating again, guys. We are eating again. We are definitely eating. We are eating in style, guys. We are eating in style.
Yes, guys. When you see any food that looks like this, it's what? Chi-Chi's delicacy.
Oh, seriously, guys.
Do you see this food?
Do you see what is in front of me?
This food has prawns. It has panla. Do you see this thing? Panla stockfish. It has stockfish.
Oh, wow.
It has
Wow.
fish. It has assorted everything that you can think of.
God
And this
glory.
one, guys, it has this fish. They call it what fish? Sea bag or whatever they call it.
No, red brain.
Oh, red brill, sorry. Red brill. Like, guys, this food is rich, okay?
See my
Rich.
life. See my life.
And guess what? What is this?
Yeah.
Pande.
Pando yam. Pando
You guys,
yam.
we are going to be munching, okay?
Munching away. We are going to be munching away, guys.
Let me greet you people, very special, okay? This is for you guys. Kitty pie, kitty pie, kitty pie, kitty pie, kitty pie, kitty pie. For the gang, for the gang, for the gang, for the gang, for the gang. All the single ladies, guys. Thank you so much for always tuning in. We always appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. What can we do without you? Nothing. We cannot do anything without you, okay? Guys, as you guys always do, make sure you comment, share with your family and friends. Also, if you live in United Kingdom, UK, anywhere in United Kingdom, if you live outside London, anywhere, mobile Afro hairdressers and beauty can come to you anywhere in United Kingdom. All you need to do is visit the website and register and book an appointment, and the beautician will come to you, okay?
It's so easy
the
like
link
that.
is gonna be down below.
It's easy.
Tell
easy,
a friend
easy.
to tell a friend, okay?
Guys, that is it. Guys, that is it. Guys, let's start to munch away, guys. When me see this kind of food, when I see this kind of food, when me see this kind of
I know
food,
you are not
when I
listening to
see
me.
this kind of food. That's what I'm saying.
They don't even know what I'm saying, because you guys,
seriously.
I know you're looking at this food.
Seriously.
If you were looking at this food when I was talking, please
Oh.
comment down below. Don't be shy. Just comment like Chichi. All the things you were saying, I did not even know what you're saying. Eyes was on this fish. You like this fish?
Up till now, they are not still hearing you. They are not listening to you up till now.
Okay.
It's just like me. Guys, can you hear what she's saying? When you are looking at this kind of delicacy in front of you, just
I know
like,
what.
Guys,
I'm watching my weight, so you take this.
Why?
I'm watching my weight.
This.
I'm watching my weight. This is what I'm eating.
Okay, guys, we are drinking Dake's Scottish wine, Clubman. Clubman Dake's. I think we've drank this before, isn't it? You have drank it before. You tried it before.
There's no
Yeah.
drink. I don't think there's any drink we haven't tried.
No, there's so many drinks you haven't tried.
I don't think so.
There's so many, as in so many drinks you haven't
Guys,
tried.
you like my hair? I just put my hair one side because why not? You have to experiment, you know? Experiment.
Why not? If not,
If you're a cutie pie, you have to change your style. So your hair, your lip gloss, your brow shape. My brow shape always change every now and then.
Guys, sip and the yam. Sip and do yam.
You have to be popping, okay?
Sip and
Because
do yam.
you're my cutie pie, you're my cutie queen, you're my cutie popping queen.
Guys, look
you are
at
cute.
Look at this. Look at this.
you.
Chichi, do you want to serve the food
So
or you want
cute.
to talk? Do you
You
want to
are
serve
so
the food?
beautiful.
Do you want to serve the food or you want
I
to
can
talk?
see how beautiful you are, darling.
Do you want to serve the food or you are here to talk?
You are
Which
so
one?
beautiful.
Which one are you here for?
You're so beautiful.
Which one are you here for?
I just telling my cutie pie they're beautiful because they are beautiful. Just the way
Cheers.
they are. They are always beautiful. They are
Let's try this,
beautiful.
guys.
I don't want to. I'm still. You did that in the wrong time when I'm trying to devour and demolish the food.
Guys, look at this. Look at the upward. The way Chichi is just taking the upward. He's just examining and experimenting. The way the upward is going to go through that my yummy throat. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at the food. The food is just like it's only me that will eat
After
this
I
food.
finish eating this food, you sleep.
It's only me. Let me do the fish.
Okay.
Then put this. They am like this.
Why?
Yeah. Now, guys. Hey, this life where I come.
This is Mama Put.
Give me more fish now. Are you not sure of your fish?
No, you can eat later.
No, I want to see. I want to see the fish. Let the fish be seeing me.
No, I won't give you tail. I don't know how many tail is there.
I want to be there anything, so that there is no eggs.
Push, guys.
I see the fish. There's no use to put his eggs.
This is Mama Put.
Guys, look at this.
This is the only Mama Put you can see in London.
Look at this. Look at this, guys.
Chichi's
look at this.
kitchen. This soup is Chichi's delicacy.
Guys,
You see me?
Guys, look
I don't eat a lot. I only have 2 fish.
Guys. Okay, guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, guys.
I am looking cute. Guess what, people? I'm watching my weight. You see, I didn't eat a lot of fish. Chef Ola have 3 and I have 2.
Guys.
I am watching my weight.
Guys, you have to have the center of excellence or center of velocity or center of attack where the warrior can attack this food.
This fish is sweet.
Where am I going to attack this food, though, guys? See my life, seafood. Seafood, see my life. Hey, me only me. Me only me. Now me only come to this world. Me.
You know what? Only the sea is sweet.
Hey, yeah. Do you want coke?
Yes, please. This is Mama Put. This is Chichi's Put. Chichi Put. Because Shola was telling me, put for me, put. Put.
Put more, put fish.
This is Mama Put.
Put the stew.
Yes, put.
Guys. Seriously, this life is so painful. Like, it takes a lot of experience and talent to cook this food. You know?
Yes.
People have to have a good of guys.
You say it take a lot of experience and talent to cook this food. When I now say some people are not talented. Some people are. You have to. Like you don't. Not everybody.
Shishi, don't bring that.
What did I say? I said that.
Don't
what
bring
did
it
I say
now. Let me eat, guys. Let's try this food.
I say you don't need talent.
Let's try this food.
You don't need a gift. You don't need to be talented to do anything. You can do anything. You say it take a lot of experience and talent to do this food. Am I talented? Was I born to know how to cook this food? Can you answer my question?
Wait.
You're the one that started it.
Wait, I will answer it.
Because that it's just related to what we were saying before.
Guys.
It related to what we were saying before.
Chichi, why are you disturbing my life?
No, you say you take a lot of. What do you say? You take a lot of talent to cook this food.
Chichi, why are you disturbing my life? I'm eating.
You just said something. That I just want to call your attention.
Guys.
You say you take a lot of talent to cook this food.
But
what were we saying before we started eating?
Guys, this food is something else.
Can you just agree the fact that what I was telling you before?
The way I'm doing this thing.
Do you agree or not?
You are talented to make this food.
So you say I'm talented to make it. What I'm not trying to say that you don't need to be talented to do anything in life. You can learn to do it. It's not like I'm not talented in this. Guys, you can learn to do it.
Chichi, how many did you see this food for? This fish.
You see? And
the fish was like it was seasoned forever. You
see, I spoil my clothes.
So you don't know how to eat without spoiling your clothes.
You never spoil your clothes.
Why? How come?
People always say in the comments that you never spoil your clothes.
Why? How can I spoil my clothes? It's experience. It's talented. I was born to do this.
I always spoil my clothes. If I go to party, I have to put tissue. That's how bad I am. If I come to your party, I have to put tissue on my clothes.
Yeah, learn how to not to stain your clothes.
I can do it.
Yeah, start doing it from today.
If I want to do it, I will do it.
Because you are not gifted to do
that. Look. If I want to see
then you will see you next. You will see tomorrow.
I can do it. Look.
Do it.
Don't have to be cautious. Because you're cautious.
I'm not cautious.
No. I'm doing it. You watch. What another one will come.
Wait tomorrow. I will tell you tomorrow. Me, I don't need to culture. I don't need to plan for it. I don't need to think it. It's a talent.
That's the kind of talent we're talking about.
There's something in life.
Guys.
Like cooking.
Guys, look at this food. Are you talented to cook?
Cooking is not a talent.
Are you talented to cook? So what are you saying?
Cooking is not a talent because it's just like 1 + 1 is equal 2.
No.
That is cooking.
It's essential. Everything have a formula.
Everything is not formula.
Everything have formula.
There's something like God have given you the capability and resources for you to be able to do it.
God give everybody talent, capability and resources.
God give everybody, not in every area.
Every area.
Not in every area.
You have to discover it.
No. If you want to discover it, you know.
You have to discover it.
Not to discover it. In some churches, you go to churches, they will say to you that if you are not speaking in tongues, you are not born again. But whereas it don't have to be like that.
No.
You don't have to speak in tongues for it to be. You can learn.
They learn. I know people say Holy Spirit will come on you and you start speaking in tongue. It's true, but you can still learn to speak in tongue. I remember one time when I was in
you not learn. If
Holy
Spirit come Holy Spirit come in different form.
Come, but I remember in our Sunday school you would learn how to speak in tongue. Those way people start saying, you will start saying it. It's learning.
That's not that I can't say that's not Holy Spirit.
It will come on you, but
Holy Spirit will teach you. Holy Spirit, the moment the Holy Spirit comes upon you, you will speak in tongues.
We'll learn it.
Okay, you are not in church today. Don't let us. But there's something.
No, you know why I started saying about this? Because you just said I use talent to cook this food.
No, that's even go. No, our argument before in this morning is that how can you say that everybody can do everything? No,
why? What are they think? Somebody that I want to employ. You now said, oh, this person can do, is talented in this, it's not talented. And I said, but you can learn it. That's what it is.
But you can't learn everything.
You can learn it. You don't want to learn it.
There's so many things that your brain, you want to learn it, but your brain will not be able to take it. Guys, then you have to go and do for another job.
This fish, I've not eaten this kind of fish before, or what?
You have eaten it now. We used to eat it a lot.
It was not cooked properly. This one was better. This one was cooked nicely.
Because you learned the trick.
You see? I learned the trick.
Cooking is a trick.
You can learn. You can learn things. You can learn things.
Cooking. There's something.
You know, I always disagree with you.
No, that's what I'm saying. There's something that you cannot learn. There's something that you can learn. There's something that if you learn it, it's going to be so easy for you because you are gifted.
Okay.
There's something that you cannot learn.
In the person case, you can learn it.
It will be difficult for you.
In the person case, you can learn it. So what your person said, you cannot use computer. That's what you said.
Yeah, well, the person said that you can't use computer.
And what did I say? I said I can learn it.
Yeah, but the person is not ready because he's finding.
That's what I'm saying. We're saying the same thing.
No, we are not saying difficult because the person find it difficult to learn.
He said he's not talented in there. That's what he said. That's what you were trying to say. Because
I said it's not.
You are agreeing with him. Yeah, no, he can learn it. I'm sorry. No. Don't tell me that. No, I do not agree. You guys comment down below. I know there's something called talent, but I still know that you can learn some certain things. You know.
Then I'm saying, okay, just like when we were in school. You remember that time when we were in Nigeria, when we want to move from one class, from something to let's use GSSE. If you do one exam in GSSE, that will determine whether you go to science class or commercial class or art class. All those exams, there's some certain things that if you are not good in, they will not allow you to go to science class.
Leave that one alone. Somebody want to employ somebody. Guys, we want to employ somebody, in our studio, in our studio in Nigeria. The person said that they cannot use computer. Not like we will teach you. Somebody is there. We already have somebody that know how to use computer and edit. The person said that is not talented.
You say can't learn it.
Yes, that is not talented in that.
Yeah, because you find it difficult. You understand?
Yeah.
There's some certain tasks in life that you will find difficult. It's not that easy the way you see it.
I feel like he don't want to learn it. He does not want to.
You will find it difficult learning it.
He does not want to.
He will not enjoy doing it.
He does not want to. It's the same thing.
I know it's the same thing, but me, for example, now there's some certain job that I would not want to do. Because
no, he said as if he's not talented because I cannot do it. I'm not trying to say that he does not want to do it.
Yeah, because he don't want to. It will be difficult for him to know it. That's what I'm saying.
He did not want to do it. Can you agree with me?
No, I'm not agreeing with him.
Yeah.
Because I've given you so many scenarios, but you never believe this.
I'll keep arguing with you forever.
No, it's not about arguing. This is more about you knowing the truth of capability. Everybody in life have their own ability to do things.
I know, but if you want to do the thing, you can learn it.
You can't learn anything. You can't learn everything. Seriously,
You can learn it. You want to do it.
Some of the things you can't even.
You have to believe you can do it.
Okay.
Then if you believe it,
okay,
then you can do everything.
There's something that called talent.
You can do everything through God. That's right.
No, there's something that called talent. Let's look at talent that is more famous. You can't learn them.
You can learn everything.
Like art, like music.
You go and learn it.
Like dancing, like
you can learn dance. You see the way I can
tennis.
Dance? I can learn to dance.
Like football, you have energy. You have physical being, energy, strength. If some children are not have physically, they can't.
I know, but
they can't have physical
don't
strength.
Just wave it.
Like bustling. You have to have strength to be able to fight.
People have learned it. Yes, I went to box. He's not a boxer.
Yeah, but he's not a professional boxer. He can only fight with people that do that.
He box.
No, but he fight with people of his own.
Yeah, that's
YouTube
boxing.
people.
But it's still
boxing. No, it's not. He can't fight with people that was.
Somebody wants to go and fight with Mayweather.
Because they just want to make money. That one is just making money.
But
Mayweather have retired.
Can they fight? Yeah, they can fight.
No, because Mayweather have retired. They just want to make money.
Or Jake Paul is going to fight Mayweather. Can you believe that?
That is just money making machine.
That's what. Is he talented?
Then sometimes if you are enjoying what you are doing.
Okay, just believe it. Just accept it that
I
tell you, the guy do not want to do it. Period.
You can't force somebody to do what they know.
He do not want to do it. Do you want to accept that?
No, they know. The person know that his ability cannot do it. It just isn't.
He says he's not talented.
Yeah, he can be not talented because if your ability. Let me tell you about handiwork. Handiwork. Why people used to say that you need to go and learn how to do one thing. Tailoring. You can learn how to be tailor. You can learn how to be a bricklayer.
So you need to be talented to know how to use computer.
No, you can learn all those skills. It's a skills. You learn skills. You understand? That is not talent. Computer is not a talent. It's a skills.
Okay.
Like mechanic is a skills.
The guy uses that is not talented.
But
we are supporting him. That
but there's some. Okay, like mechanic now. You need to be able to calculate some kind of things for you to be able to do mechanic.
Okay, but you don't say that talented. That's
but those people that can do mechanic as well, I think they are kind of talented. For example, if you are a tailor, you need to be very good in your mathematics to be able to know if you put this one number to this and this and this and this. If you are not good in that kind of aspect,
you learn how to calculate mathematics. You learn it.
But that's what I'm saying. There's some talent that you can't learn. There's some talent.
If you spend your time day in, day night, and say to yourself,
you will find it not enjoyable. You just waste your life.
You say yourself.
You will miss out in social. For example, now a kids that don't know how to.
It's easy.
Let me explain to you. Like for example, a kids that don't know. There's some kids. Look at for my children as an example. My kids started playing good football when he was like 4. I trained him a little bit, but he started playing good. What about his brother? I trained them a little bit, but they are not good.
So why are you saying? You're trying to say that Michael is talented?
Michael had the ability to learn that particular game.
I believe that, but I'm trying to say to you.
Look at, if Bodu now want to be like Michael, he might need to work 10 times harder than what Michael did. You understand?
You don't need to work 10 times. You
10 times, maybe.
You don't need to put his mind to it.
Okay, now.
He's not put his mind to it.
Because he's not enjoying it. Then you have to enjoy it as well. If you're not enjoying it, it's so difficult.
But it's A and B. You're going too far in. We're arguing one thing.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying.
No, we're arguing two things. We said, is the person talented? Do you need talent? Do you have to be talented to do this? We're not talking about, we know that some job, even though you're talented, some people are talented, you know that they will not still find that job good. Have you not seen somebody, a tailor that can sew clothes very well, and you will tell that
you will not enjoy it?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying, that talent you don't need talent to do some other things.
But I think some talent give you some kind of leverage on those that haven't got it.
I'm saying
for example, there's nothing I can learn how to sing today. The worst of it, I'll learn. You will know that I'm trying. I can't be the best.
Oh, yeah.
That is the thing. I can learn how to. What can I do now? Run. But am I going to be the fastest runner? No.
Okay, can you agree with me in this part? You have to agree with me.
Why am I going to agree with you?
Agree with me that do you need talent to do everything?
No, you do not need talent to do everything.
You just said that. You just agree with the guy that when the guy says he's not talented, you said okay, he's not talented.
No, I don't say that.
I
say it's not really ready to learn it. That's why I say.
No, you said that
computer is not talented.
When the guy says he's not talented, you just say, oh, Chichi, leave it and take him. Even though we have let him go,
the person
we have let him go, but I was not talking to you
then.
as per husband and wife. We're discussing about it. Do we force him to do it? We say no, we're not forcing. When he says he's not talented, we let him go. Isn't it? We are like, if you want to, because the thing is, we're already employed for that job. I will say to him, if you want to be here, you have to learn to also do this one. He's doing something else. We're not like, you have to learn to also do this one. And his reply was, oh, he's not talented in that. So the thing, he wants us to be paying him this particular money, why he can only do this particular thing. Which will not say, oh, you have to learn the guy. Even though he has gone, but the thing is, this is just me and Ola. I didn't tell him that, oh, you have to be talented, or you don't need talent to do. I didn't say any of this to him. It's just that me and Ola was not talking afterwards. When I argue, like, this is not me. We did not even say anything like this to him. But we're not saying, me and him were not talking, I'm not saying to him that sometimes you don't need talent to be able to do something. Another was arguing with me, like, oh, that maybe the guy is not talented. And I'm like, no. I understand what talent means, that you have to have talent. But also, what you're saying doesn't actually make sense. You know why? Many people have talent. I know people that can sing. Are they singing? That is why I think that for you wanting to do something is more than talent. Because if you want to do something now, yeah, even though you're not talented to drink this Coke or to eat this pounded yam, you're not talented to mold it. I'm talented to eat pounded yam. Let's say somebody comes, like, the person not talented to eat pounded yam, but if the person say to themselves, I want to learn this pounded yam, the person is far better than you that have talent. You know why?
Why?
Because the person is determined to learn how to make this pounded yam.
But if
you that know how to talent, like, you might not be better, because guess what? I know a lot of talented people that can sing. I know one auntie, she can sew you, but she's really talented. She's not doing it.
Okay, let me tell you one thing.
So meaning that you don't need talent to do anything. You actually need.
Let me tell you this. What you are saying is now is easy. If you are not talented to mold this pounded yam and you mold it, you learn to mold it, you can mold it good.
Yeah.
But me, that is talented to mold this pounded yam.
You cannot mold it better than me.
No, wait. I can mold.
You cannot mold it better than me.
Wait, I will explain to you why I can mold it better than you.
Tell me.
Is this? If I'm not interested, if I not like it, I will not mold it more than you. But if I really like it of molding it, then I got the talent. I will be better than you.
I still know that me.
Far better. I will be far better than
me,
you.
as
but the only thing you can do,
I'll be better than you.
You can't be better than
you. I'm telling
you. You can only be closer to me.
No.
But for you being closer to me, you work your ass off. You will know that you work.
Because I'm ready to work. I will work.
If I'm spending 5 hours a day, you need to spend 15 hours a day.
But
for you
me
to
that
get,
ready to,
for you to get to
me
where
that
I
ready
am.
to get fed up that way,
but
I will pass you.
But if I spend that same hours you spend on the same thing, I'll be far better than you.
Okay, we are saying the same thing.
There's theory. We have proof everywhere.
We are saying the same thing. I'm saying, you don't just understand me.
You
guys, I don't know if you understand me. If you understand me, comment down below. If you don't understand me, if you're like Chef Ola, you can still comment down below, please. Your comment is all your comment is welcome. This is me, yeah. This is what I'm saying. I'm not saying that people are not talented, yeah. Anytime Chef Ola bring this talented thing, I always oppose it. Like, I don't believe that people are talented. I actually believe people are talented. But what I'm trying to say that you that is talented and me that is not talented, I want to do this thing, I'll do it better than you.
You cannot do it better.
I'm telling you, I'll do it better than you. Because I'm motivated. I'm ready to give it my all to know how to do this thing.
Okay, Chichi.
Because you're talented. Most people that are talented don't even want to give them their all. Because
they give them their all.
No, they're not. They just know how to do it.
For example, let's do that physical being. As a runner, 100 meter, Usebo is the most fastest person.
Yeah.
As last time that I checked.
Yeah. If you ask me, you know that he trained himself. He might say he's the fastest.
That's what I'm saying. He got the talent. He got the energy. He got the speed.
Himself and to know what he needs to work on.
He put energy. He put strength, time into it because he's good in it.
No.
But person that is not good, like me, that is not good.
Yes.
There's no way
you
I will
need to train yourself. You start eating healthy. All you for the girl you're eating, you think if you want to start eating so you can eat it.
There's no.
You don't eat this for the
way.
girl.
When I was 18.
They eat healthy.
Let me start when I was 16.
Don't eat burger.
There's no way I'll be eating healthy, being fast. I might not be able to fast more than
because you don't want to fast. Do you put in your calendar? Do you put it in your paper? Do you write it down? I want to be fast.
You will look at some structure.
Do you put it that you want to be running? You do not put it in your paper. If you put it that you want to run,
I try.
Don't. In my school. You don't.
No, in my school I was the fastest.
No, you don't run. You don't do anything. No.
Seriously, I was the fastest. Have I not tell you that you don't even know me? Why do you have to marry to me for so long? You don't even know that I'm the fastest.
But this is a lie.
Ask Funshaw.
Please.
I'm the fastest
You
in my
just said
school.
that you don't know how to run now. So why do you have?
No, I'm just telling you that I might not be able to fast more than Usain Bolt.
Bro.
I'm very fast.
Because
ask Moses, I still at this age I still fast more than Moses.
Yeah,
that are almost like 10 years
like you can train
older
yourself.
than him.
You
Or
want
5
to
years older
because
than him.
number one, you're eating by the yam. How do you say about eating by the yam? You can go and run.
What is it?
The bed of it is like
I
this.
might talk about now. I'll talk about the future.
Before anything, do you eat healthy? Do you do exercise? Do you go to the gym every day? Do you work out? Do you eat healthy? Do you after you drink this drink? You think that this drink will make you want to run?
Yeah,
Do you think after you finish drinking you'll be running?
guys, she shall bring this. Even the beginning of the food, you have already make my appetite, my sense.
No, because you're saying that you're not started to say that Chichi, you have to talented.
I've not planned to even.
It's not to use that word talented, but because we've said it behind camera, that's the only English you can use because that's what we were saying.
Yeah, because I haven't got brain.
No, because you feel like you want to.
Like me, that God did not give me brain. How am I going to have brain to be remember?
You learn.
Things?
You learn to remember
I
things.
do not want to learn.
You see, you don't want to.
I'm lazy.
You do not want to.
This life, where me I come easy life.
You do not want to. Easy.
I did not come to labor. That's why I don't support labor.
So
I
why
support
did
democrats.
So why is he not want to explain the fact that the guy did not want to learn it?
Huh?
Not because he's not talented, he just did not want to learn it. Everybody learns things at one point.
Because I enjoy what I enjoy.
Everybody learns things at one point.
There's some certain things you enjoy that you just have to do it. That is it.
Beyonce can be the best musician, the best. She can be the best singer. But I know at one point she actually trained herself.
No, people work.
So what are you saying? If anybody is devoted to put the same work she put, they will be.
Guys, don't let Chichi bring
Gifted is one. People might be gifted.
If people are gifted, then what are you talking about?
You can be who you want to be.
No, you cannot be who you want to be.
Okay.
You can be who you want to be, not just being sitting down and folding your hand. You can be anything you want to be. I mean, for example, now, if I try to be a bricklayer, wait, let me talk. If I try to be a bricklayer, then I did not succeed being a bricklayer. I can be a laborer, or I can be a computer engineer. I can be a mechanical engineer. If one did not work, I have to find one thing. Just know that one they say, don't fold your hand, don't give up. If one thing did not go for you, try another thing. You understand? If tailor is not good for you, try to sell tomato. If business is not good for you, go and try to improve your skills in different departments. You will find one that will good for you, that you'll be good at.
Guys,
that's what they call talent. Don't just fold your hand. Don't say that I can't do it. If you cannot do one thing, you can be able to do another thing. That's what they call talent.
Guys, yeah. Sometimes I used to believe that people that are doing business and being successful, it's not what me and you are talking about the other day, that most people, everybody that is successful, most big companies that you see around, they did one or two things.
There are
things they did, they put in order that made them successful.
Yes.
If you put all those things that they put that made them successful, you will be successful.
Easy.
That's what you're trying to say.
That's what I'm
Are
saying.
they talented? They might not be talented.
But they will find one particular thing that they will enjoy most.
But that company do many things. Okay, look at me and you now.
Yeah.
The same thing we're saying. Let's put mobile afro hairdressers, for instance. We say that to ourselves, wow, mobile afro hairdresser is doing great. We will not realize that, oh my God, we didn't realize that adverts goes a long way.
Yes.
Isn't it? We now find out that sometimes all this big company you see is not magic.
Everybody does not do magic.
It's not magic. There are things that people do that made them to become something. Okay, look at Beyonce, for instance. She might be talented and everything, but she did something. Maybe her parents have put in advert, put her billboard everywhere that everybody should be pay me a radio station and stuff. You know, we now realize that sometimes it's money used to find money.
Yeah, that is the thing.
Isn't it? You know, okay. Ever since late last year, mobile afro blew up. Why? We put in all the pennies, everything that we put in advert.
Every money that we have,
every money we make into the every money we make profit.
Yeah, it's still going into the advert.
You go back to the advert and look.
Now, anyway.
It's doing amazing, like we cannot even believe. Why? We're doing two or two things. Okay, look at it for instance. If you have more money,
but sometimes it's kind of very difficult. Like the way you say you have more money.
Yeah.
But now, for example, if you want to say that you have more money, at the moment we budget like every month £10,000.
Yeah.
You know. Then now, if you want to say that more money, if you put 100,000.
If you put £100 in adverts. Put all London, billboard everywhere, central London, billboard, all the London buses, all of them, plaster them, pay them mobile afro hairdresser. Every advert, 24, okay now, to the first 7 plenty advert. Pay Facebook £1,000 every day.
Every day, isn't it?
And when you tell me,
wow,
you will do things, you know, tell me why we're not going to be amazingly like big. So therefore, this is not magic. People don't get somewhere to magic. People that say that they are Usain Bolt is running, it's not magic. He did a lot
I know
of things.
people put work. That's what I'm saying to you. People put work. I've seen it. People put work. Nothing come cheap. Nothing
So
come
now
cheap.
you want that? Because I'm not talented.
Talent. Even God, the way
I'm
Jesus,
not talented.
The way Jesus described.
You see somebody do something, the person is talented. Now the person
The
can
way
do that.
Jesus Christ described talent as well. It's
Tomorrow
not
now,
easy.
if
You
about
have to
Afro
work
blow
for
up,
it.
people will think we are talented. We are business talented.
That me.
But because we do A and
maybe
B,
she can be talented. Me,
A
that
and B and C that other people are doing as well. You know, oh, talented, yes. Joe Chichi is talented because
she can be talented, but Akonji is not her brain. This Akonji that you see,
guys, I don't know.
Not single. One.
You guys put your 1 cent in the comment section, okay?
I'm that kind of kid that when I grow up, I used to feel like, how is my future is going to be? I used to panic, but thank God that I am.
Guys,
I am.
You guys comment down below. I know, don't get me wrong, I know there's something called gifts, but I also know that there's something
There's so many
you
things
can
that you can do without having the gift.
You can do,
but not everything. That's what I'm trying to say to you. Chichi, for example,
that guy can do. You can learn how to do computer. I'm sorry.
Wait. For example,
if you not sleep every day and learn, you're better than our computer guy. You're better than the guy.
Okay, for example, that means you have to put too much work.
No.
Okay, for example,
not the way you're trying to discourage some young people that are watching that. Don't like that kind of thing.
I'm not discouraging.
You're discouraging. You say you're gonna put too much work. There's not too much work.
Put too much work.
No, you're gonna put normal work. It's not put normal work.
Okay.
If you do it every day, night, evening.
What I'm saying this: if you try to draw a straight line, you can draw the straight line. If you want to try to draw the straight line, your whole one
I'm sorry, it will be straight. I have to just know how are you putting your hand. When you're drawing the straight line, I'll check your hand. Look at your hand. I'll check what is moving. I'll know like, okay, your ankle is not moving. Only your hand is moving. I just have to study you. I'll study successful person. I'll do everything they do. Every damn thing you do, I'll do it. I'll draw a straight line. Sorry, I do not accept that. Sorry for other people. Do everything they do and you'll be successful. I just have to watch you. I will study you. You that is drawing that straight line. I don't need to watch you morning, night, evening, night. I'll take a picture of your hand, zoom it in, and check what you're doing. When I check what you're doing, I'm like, okay, when you're drawing your straight line, only your ankle is moving, your hand is not moving. And I do every goddamn thing. I look at your eyes. How you look at the eye? You open your eye and looking at properly. You're concentrating, and I'll do everything you do, and I'll draw a straight line.
Easy.
Don't.
Okay, guys, that is the end of the video. I don't know. Shishi will not accept this fact that
I'll never accept for anybody. I don't care. I know people are going to comment down below that you need talent to do this. I don't care. And I don't want to train my children like that. I want to train my children like you can do everything you want to do.
With God that strengthens you.
You can do everything. Don't accept that one person is talented. That one they can do certain things. Do you want to do it? Yes, mommy.
That is it. What about if you don't want to do it?
That is what I'm doing. That is not. That's
what I'm saying. The guy that comes to you.
No, in that case, you not come and use that excuse. Someone is talented. This is what
no, because the guy that comes to you say that he can't learn it. He's not talented.
Yes, you don't want to do it.
Because you don't want to do it.
Yeah, no, I prefer you to say that. I prefer you to say, oh, I don't want to do this. Not that I'm not talented in.
Because if you tell you that you don't want to do it, you will think that it's not serious.
I'm not talented in computer. I don't have the talent for that. No, I'm sorry. I'll ask my son, do you want to do it? Yes, mommy. Then you can do it. Let's do it. Don't ever tell me that somebody is talented. Oh, no, my friend David is talented. That's why he can do this. Do you want to draw? Yes, mommy. Okay, what are we going to do? Let's do training. Get a personal trainer for you.
But you know that everybody has different abilities.
If you want to draw it, will do it. I'm telling you,
we got
this life, it's not about mindset. Do you want to do it? Yes, mommy, I want to draw. For him saying that, you just have to accept that you want to do it. Yes, mommy, I want to draw. Don't just say, oh, I can't draw because I'm not talented. No. Do you want to draw? Yes, mommy, let's do it. Guys, you know what? I'm going to leave you guys here. I'm already full. I'm watching my weight. Because of that, I cannot finish my food. This is my weight. I need to be size 8 before December. So I can wear my Christmas outfit. I bought size 8, my Christmas clothes. And I have to fit in.
God is good.
So that's why I'm not going to finish my food, okay? Love you guys. Comment down below. I want to know what is your own side. Do you want to take Shefola's side or my side? I don't know, but I said what I said.
Okay, guys, that is it. We are going to see you guys next time in our next video. If you haven't liked video on this channel before, or you haven't subscribed before, or you haven't commented on this channel,
drink is nice.
This is an opportunity for you to subscribe and comment and like this video. See you guys
you want
next
to tell me
time.
I look cute? Come tell me you look cute.
Bye. Chap,
Cute
chap.
is not a talent, by the way. You don't need talent to be cute. You're cute just the way you are.
We understand time is money, and many women work from home, study, have kids, and most times don't have time to travel. Don't worry. We are bringing the salon to you, offering comfort, quality service, and affordability at the same time. We are your #1 mobile Afro hairdressing and beauty online booking platform in the United Kingdom. Book mobile Afro hairdressers and beauty UK. Home service anywhere in the UK. Visit our website now for more info. www.mobileafrohairdressersandbeauty.com